from the municipal government
Mainit na pinag-usapan sa ika-25 regular session ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng Pangasinan ang disaster preparedness ng probinsya. Isa sa mga tinalakay dito ang pagtatayo ng 911 Command Center ng probinsya.
The establishment of Paseo C3 is beneficial to the populace of Pangasinan as it will serve as frontline service area for overall emergency operations and network communications in the entire province.
So the 911 center, this will be under the Central 911 Office of DILG National. And what we are doing right now is in consonance to the objective, of course, of the provincial government in keeping our province mates safe at all times, 24/7. And this is also the intent of the national government.
Ilang bayan na sa Pangasinan ay mayroong 911 hotline pero kung magkataon, mas mapapabilis ang pagresponde ng bawat sakuna.
We are pushing for this one, and ultimately this will improve the disaster management here in the province of Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Ang pagtatayo ng command center ng 911 ay nakapaloob sa Executive Number 56 o institutionalizing the emergency 911 hotline as the nationwide answering point, replacing Patrol 117 and for other purposes. Jose Robert Inventor para sa Luzon Headlines.